going to be using up all of the leftovers.
Okay.
So I've got some lovely turkey left over.
Right.
I've got brie, which might be on your cheese board at Christmas, and some cranberry sauce. And we're going to make some lovely little tartlets. This is lovely for Boxing Day or New Year's Eve even, if you've frozen your turkey. So we need to start by brushing these just lightly with some butter. And I'll start working on the pastry.
Perfect.
So filo pastry comes in sheets like this. You can make it yourself, but you know what? It's never, ever worth it.
Yeah. So
it's so tasty though. Have you had filo pastry before?
Yeah, I have,
I love filo pastry.
It's ready for a treat.
So we're going to take about 4 sheets and the others can go away.
This is a good thing to know because people just chuck away their turkey. Or don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, no, it is. It's not the easiest thing because obviously, does it freeze? Does it not freeze? You know, like the gammon we're making, that freezes really well.
Yeah.
There's no need to sort of throw it away.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to cut this into 4.
And all these dishes that we've cooked tonight are perfect for party.
Yeah.
Anything.
Buffet table. Cut these in half now. So now we're ready to put our butter on our filo pastry. This is what makes it that goes nice and crisp in the oven.
Okay.
And then we're going to take another sheet and butter that, and then we're going to put it across purposes, and then we're going to pop it in.
Fab.
So it's nice and easy. So we've got our little tart cases.
Yeah.
Now,
best.
we're going to fill it with a little bit of cranberry sauce. We don't too much.
One of my favourites as well. Did you make that as well?
This is homemade, yeah. I make my cranberry sauce every year for Christmas.
Perfect.
But again, chopboard's fine. Chopboard's lovely, especially if there's one you particularly like.
Yeah.
And you have it on your Christmas dinner and you don't use it all, and then it goes in the bin in March because you forgot about it. This is a good way to use it up. Do you want to finish that off while I start putting the turkey in? I've got my leftover turkey here now, so we're just going to sort of break that and put a little bit in there. I'm going to put a nice little bit in.
So we got cranberry, we have turkey.
Yep, and then we're going to top it off with some brie, and then when it comes out of the oven, we're going to top it with some just a few fresh thyme leaves, which is just really yummy.
Nice on top, yeah.
Yeah. We're almost done. Do you want to start putting the cheese on? Because we're just going to put a little cube of cheese, and that should melt down then. And this is not brie. I called it brie at the beginning, I've just realised. But I don't eat brie in my house. I use this, which is Welsh cheese, which is called Pearl Wen. Which, have you tried this before?
No, so you got this one, didn't you, from
Swansea Market again, yeah. We stopped off on the way up.
Yeah.
Have a try. Have a little bit.
Okay. Really creamy.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's nicer than brie.
It's much nicer than brie. It's Welsh. But no, it is. It's a really beautiful cheese, much like the Pearl Lass. Are you just eating it now, or are you putting it in? I'm never sure. I'm not sure. But like these, very easy, very simple, no rolling out of anything, and you're using up all the bits you might have in the fridge.
It's just more, I don't know, I'd much prefer that brie, 100%.
It's really nice, isn't it? There we are, so they're ready to go in the oven now. I'll pop them in.
Perfect.